Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let us begin the video, that is the time zone, and this video is the questions which are related in the textbook on page number 67, 68, also 65. So you'll get in the panel these questions are there for you. So we can do those questions, we can solve those questions here. So let us begin with the questions. See first, basic things you have to understand first. This the Earth takes 24 hours to make one rotation. That is, the Earth takes 24 hours to make a round of 360-degree around itself. Earth rotates from west to east. Therefore, in terms of time, the eastern part of the Earth is ahead of the western part. The meridian which passes through Greenwich, London, is considered as the prime meridian, as the difference in the standard time of different countries is told according to Greenwich time. Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich. Opposite of 0 degree Greenwich meridian, that is GMT or UTC, is the line, that is IDL, International Date Line, which I have already covered in Standard 9. Now, the Earth covers 360 degrees in 24 hours, 15 degrees in 1 hour, and 1 degree in 4 minutes. So, this basic you have to remember and understand also. Now, here is the map. This map is showing the time. This is the world map. You see here the red color line showing this is 0 degree meridian, that is Greenwich meridian time. It is taken as a prime meridian. Opposite to this Greenwich, that is 0 degree only, we have 180 degree, that is ideal. So we are not studying in detail for ideal today. Here are the degrees at interval of 15 degrees each. This is the western side, this is the eastern side, children, and this is the western side. Now eastern side is ahead than the western side. So you'll see here at the 15 degrees interval, you will have this longitude, and the countries which are there between this longitude, they follow one time zone only. Okay, so a 0, then see 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, like that it goes on up to 180. And here also 0, that is 15, 30, 45, like that it goes on. Now here, this is Brazil. Here the Brazil is following 4 time zone actually, but the official time is BRT, that is Brazilian Standard Time. Now here you see this is India, and India is following one time zone, and this is the IST, that is Indian Standard Line, this line which is passing through Allahabad. This is IST, that is Indian Standard Time. Now India is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of this GMT. So we are ahead of this GMT by how much? 5 hours 30 minutes. And Brazil is, if you see, there is a time difference between India and Brazil. There is a difference of 8 hours 30 minute time. So here down, see below, if you see here, the clocks are shown, children, in this table, and with the help of this clock, see, we can understand here. Suppose on this 0 degree meridian, if it is here 12, it is shown. So see, on the eastern side, the time will go on increasing. Suppose it is 12 years, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that it will go on. Okay, and here you will see here 12. So this side we are going in minus, we can say, that is what behind. So here if it is on Greenwich, it is 12 o'clock. So here it will be how much? See, 11, 10, 9, 8, like that 1 hour it goes on decreasing here. So like that, on the basis of this, we can understand the time equations here in the further slide. Let us see the question. Here Saurabh, this is the question. Saurabh and Ashwini work for a MNC. Two of their regional head offices are located in Brazil, in Rio de Janeiro and Manaus respectively. Both of them have to contact either of the head offices constantly. So as they have to adjust timing according to their head offices, find out their corresponding timings in India if they work according to office timings in Brazil, that is 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now here the timings are given for 10 a.m. in the like 10 a.m. is the opening time, and the closing time of the office is 5 p.m. So for both we are going to calculate now, that is Saurabh and Ashwin. Now see here children, here that is 10 a.m., that is Rio de Janeiro. Now this Rio de Janeiro, here they are following 3 hours. It is 3 hours back by GMT. So the timing here will be, see here, 10. After 10 you have to count 11, 12 and 1. So 1 p.m. it becomes, that is it will become what? Noon. Correct? From now here GMT, if you go to IST, you calculate the time here, evening time. So here see 5 hours 30 minutes we are ahead, as I told you. So from 1, now leaving 1 you have to count, see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and that 30. So 6:30 p.m. Now in the evening, suppose 5 p.m. The office is till 5 p.m. here. So here 3 hours again GMT will go in, see 5, after 5 you'll count 6, 7, 8. This is 8 p.m. here. Okay, 8 p.m. And from 8 p.m. there is again a difference of 5 hours 30 minutes of India. So it will be 1:30 a.m. in the night. Now same goes for Ashwin, but here we'll find the difference of time because Manoj. Now here if you see, children, go through the textbook, that is page number 66, you'll have the figure there, and here the timings are also shown, like 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours GMT. Say this Brazilian time is what? Behind, it's running behind. So Manoj, so here we will take that Manoj at 4 hours ka difference. So here Ashwin, suppose 10 a.m. The office timing. So GMT में what will be the time? See 4 hours का difference is there. So 10, after 10 you'll count 11, 12, 1 and 2. So here down Ashwin, in case of Ashwin 4 hours का difference we have taken because there is a difference of 4 hours. Now from GMT say but to India it will be how much? That much only, same, that is 5 hours 30 minutes. So from 2 p.m. Noon, if you leave 2, count from 3 up to 5, how many hours you have to count? 5 hours 30 minutes. So from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and that 30 minutes. So 7:30 p.m. in the evening. Now here Ashwin again, suppose from Manoj, the closing time of the office is 5 p.m. So at GMT what will be the time? So the time here, that as I told you, 4 hours ka difference is there. So after 5 you'll count, see 6, 7, 8, 9. So at GMT, that is 0 degree meridian, that is here, that is this red line, see here it will be, that is 9 p.m. And from there is a difference of 5 hours. India and here GMT say there is only one, that is 5 hours 30 minute ka difference. So from 9 you leave 9 and count 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 and the 30. So 2:30 a.m. that is in the night. So this is the table. You read it carefully children and try to understand here. So in case of Saurav, for Brazil and GMT ka time difference mein we have taken 3 hours ka difference, and Ashwin ka from Manaus to GMT we have taken the difference of 4 hours. So the timing will be calculated like that. And if you see from GMT to IST, in case of Saurabh and Ashwin, we have taken only one common time difference, that is 5 hours 30 minutes, because India is following only one time zone, that is Indian Standard Time, which is passing through Allahabad. Okay, here see here, this is India and this is IST, Indian Standard Time. Okay, so see this graph very carefully. Now one more question is there, and this question is also on page number 67 here. See the question, it is 12 noon at Delhi. Okay, at Delhi it's how much children? 12 noon. What would be the local time in Brazil? Now again from Delhi to your GMT there is a difference of 5 hours 30 minutes, and from 5 hours 30 minutes then here there is a difference of 5 hours, as I told you. So here at GMT it is how much now the timing? See at the bottom I have given you the answer. So at GMT the timing will be 6:30 a.m. Okay, like 12 ke baad se you have to count, that is what, 11, 10, like that you go on counting till 5 hours 30 minutes. So you will get the answer here GMT, that is sorry, 6:30 a.m. Now from GMT if you count backward, 3 hours you have to count backward. So 6:30 na. So you'll count here how much? 5:30, 4:30 and 3:30. So 3:30 a.m. in Brazil. So your answer will be Brasilia is 3:30 a.m., GMT is 6:30 a.m. and New Delhi is 12 noon. So these all things children, these all questions very carefully you have to read out and understand. Okay, don't go in haste. Very carefully, very calmly you have to do this, solve out these questions. One more question is there children on page number 65. Now sorry, on page number 65 there was one question. I have not typed in this, but still I will tell you orally. Arun called his mother from Digboy at 7 a.m. At what local time will his mother pick up his call at Jaisalmer? Now Digboy, that is Assam. So Assam, where it is at the extreme, we can say that is the eastern part of India. Okay, eastern part of India. And here Jaisalmer, where is Jaisalmer? Rajasthan, here at the western part. So if you see here also there is a difference of time. We have studied this almost 2 hours ka difference is there from east to west, if you see in India itself only. But still if the person is calling, Arun is calling his mother from Assam here at 7 a.m. At what local time his mother will pick up his phone? She will also pick up the phone at 7 a.m. But actually if you know here in the east may, as I told you, there is a difference of 2 hours. Here suppose in Assam, Arun is calling his mother at 7 a.m. So at the extreme there is a difference of 2 hours, as I told you. So 7 means what? Go back 2 hours, you will go back, that is 6 and what 5. Actually here in this western part Jaisalmer mein, at that time when Arun is calling his mother, here it is what? It is 5 a.m. But still we will India is following one time zone, that is why the time will be similar here, that is 7 only. I hope you have understood this children. Now coming to the next slide. Now see, this question is on page number 68 of your textbook children. I have not given the diagram, but still that question is there. Under question number 3 children. A plane leaves Brasilia at 11 a.m. on 31st December. Now the plane is crossing zero meridian, that is GMT. Now I hope you have remembered, you have understood where is that 0 degree meridian, red line which I had shown you in the map. So 0 degree meridian and reaches Vladivostok. Vladivostok is where it is in Russia. So this plane is leaving Brasilia and via New Delhi it goes to Russia. So now we have to tell the local time, date and day at New Delhi and Vladivostok where the plane leaves Brasilia. Okay, see here with the help of the diagram, the same question is there. Understand very calmly children this question to make it very clear to you. So this diagram is shown to you. Just see it very carefully. Now here see here the plane is there Brasilia, that is 31st December 11 a.m. the plane is leaving. Here is GMT, that is 0 degree. Here is New Delhi in India. Again we have 5 hours 30 minutes ahead. And here Vladivostok, this Vladivostok is in Russia. Correct? Now we'll see the time difference. So read whatever is given here and you will understand it children. The time difference between Brasilia and GMT is 3 hours. As I told you, from Brasilia and GMT there is a time difference officially 3 hours ka. Like that I told you Brasilia is following how many time zone? 4 time zone. Yeah, but now officially we can say 3 hours ka difference is there. So now when the plane is leaving at 11 a.m., that is GMT may between Brasilia and GMT is how much? 3 hours ka I told you. So the plane is leaving at 11 a.m. In that 11 a.m., if you add this 3 hours, so it will be 2 p.m. We'll see, we'll further the slides are moving, so you'll understand it. Now see here children, on 31st December Sunday 11 a.m. the plane is moving, and here when it has reached to GMT, that is 0 degree meridian, same day, that is 31st December Sunday, the time there will be 2 p.m. हाफ कम सी 11 के बाद you have to count ना 12 है ना 12 1 and 2 so 3 hours का difference. So this was there. Yeah, the see the time difference between GMT and New Delhi now. Now here GMT, now GMT we know the timing there was 2 p.m. Now from GMT we have to calculate at New Delhi. So here the calculation is shown below. See here GMT and New Delhi ka 5 hours 30 minutes. There is a difference as I told you for 5 hours and 30 minutes. Now in this 5 hours 30 minute mein I am adding this 2 p.m. So when it comes to 2 p.m. plus 5 hours 30 minutes, the timing at New Delhi will be now 7 hours 30 minutes. Now this timing I have shown you in the next slide. See, have you all understood children now here? See, 31st May it was 11 a.m. Then when it reached GMT, that is 0 degree, the time was 2 p.m. Now when it has reached New Delhi, the time has time is how much children? 7:30 p.m. Correct? So see here now. Now when we have to reach one more globe here, Vladivostok. Now Vladivostok is 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours 30 minutes. There is a difference of time from New Delhi to Vladivostok. So you see here now, time difference between New Delhi and Vladivostok is how much? 4 hours 30 minutes. So now this New Delhi ka we have taken time, that is 7:30 p.m. Now in this 7:30 p.m. we are going to add this 4 hours 30 minutes. So here the time will be the time here will be 12 a.m. children. Okay, in that 7:30 p.m. plus 4 hours 30 minutes if you add, so it will be 12 a.m. that is in the night. So see the upcoming slide now. In that, see, you'll get the time now. Now total all the 4 times, see, all that 4 balls are filled. Already first one was shown 11 a.m. We have gradually found for GMT and New Delhi and now for Vladivostok. So finally we come to the conclusion that now the plane has reached Vladivostok when, see, therefore the local time date at New Delhi will be how much children? See here 7:30 p.m. that is 31st December Sunday. And at Vladivostok, as it has taken the time, Vladivostok will be 12 a.m. That will be 1st January Monday, because there was a difference of 4 hours 30 minutes. So we got the final answer also here, that is 12 a.m. but it will be 1st January Monday 12 a.m. that is night. So the date and time has changed. So I hope you have understood this timing ka. Go through the slides very carefully children, so only you will understand it. But I don't think that it is very difficult to understand. Very coolly and calmly you go through the question and you read the question, go to the question which is there in your textbook, and accordingly you make it out and see the timing. So like that, these questions are not going to come for your examination, but you need to know. That is why with the help of this diagram I have tried to show you the difference in time. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.